Hello everyone. Welcome to your easy English reading practice. Today, we have a short story for you to listen to and read along with. The goal is to listen to the audio and follow the words on the screen. This is a great way to practice your reading and learn new vocabulary. This story is called The Lost Wallet. Let's begin. It is a sunny Tuesday morning. Alex sits at a small cafe. He drinks a hot cup of coffee. He reads a book about history. Alex feels happy and relaxed. He looks at his watch. It is 10 o'clock. I need to go, he thinks. He closes his book. He reaches for his wallet to pay. But the wallet is not there. He checks his pockets. No wallet. He checks his bag. No wallet. Alex feels a wave of panic. His money, his cards, his ID. Everything is in that wallet. Where did I put it? He thinks. He stands up and looks around his chair. He does not see it. He goes to the counter. A barista is working. The barista's name is Maria. Alex asks her, "Excuse me, did anyone find a brown wallet?" Maria shakes her head. "No, sir. I have not seen one." "Did you check your table?" "Yes, I checked." "It is not there," Alex says. Alex feels terrible. He thanks Maria and walks outside. He thinks about his morning. "I went to the bank first," he remembers. He quickly walks to the bank. He asks the teller. The teller says, "No, sorry. No wallet here." Alex sits on a bench outside. He feels defeated. He does not know what to do. Suddenly, his phone rings. He does not know the number. He answers the call. "Hello?" A woman's voice replies, "Hi, is this Alex?" "My name is Sarah. I found your wallet on the sidewalk near the cafe," she says. "Your phone number was on your library card." Alex jumps up. He cannot believe it. "That is amazing. Thank you. Where are you?" he asks. "I am at the cafe now," Sarah says. "I will wait for you here." Alex runs back to the cafe. He sees a woman holding his brown wallet. She smiles at him. Alex checks his wallet. All his money and cards are inside. He is so relieved. Thank you, Sarah, Alex says. You are a lifesaver. Please, let me buy you a coffee. Sarah smiles. That is very kind. I would like that. Alex and Sarah sit down and talk. The panic is gone. Alex feels grateful. He lost his wallet, but he met a new, kind person. It is a good day after all. Good job. You have completed this listen and read practice. You learned new words for daily problems and conversations. If you liked this story, please like this video and subscribe. See you next time.